A lot of you guys have asked me on how to get a trim while you're growing your hair out. So hey guys, I recently got a maintenance haircut after about 8 months. The last one I got was in February. So by the end of this video, hopefully you will know how to talk to your barber and how to get a trim. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy or find it helpful. It really helps me know that you like this type of content. Also subscribe to the channel. It's free and you can always unsubscribe later. Now let's get back to the video. Now before we get into how to talk to your barber, how often should you get a maintenance trim? How often should you get a maintenance trim? If you are growing your hair out, then you should get a maintenance trim every 6 months or so. Now let's talk about how to talk to your barber. Hey guys, I'm going to get a maintenance cut today, so I'm going to tell you how to get a maintenance cut. I haven't got a maintenance cut in about 8 months. Last one I got was in February. So yeah. So first and foremost, you should know your barber or hair salon very nicely. You should be able to trust them with your hair. It really helps that they know about your hair growth and your hair history. You should build a relationship with your barber and hair salon. This is very important. If you do not know your barber or hair salon yet, then do ask your friends and family for recommendations. So now before starting the haircut, communicate to your barber very clearly what you want from this haircut. If you want a trim, if you want a specific hairstyle, show a photo of what you want as a hairstyle and just be very clear. Don't be vague and saying like I just want a small from here and here. Be very specific and just communicate it very clearly. Also tell your barber which hair you want to keep, how much hair do you want to keep, do you just want a trim? Don't hesitate and just communicate it very clearly. Now during the haircut, keep talking to your barber. Talk to your barber about your hair growth, your hair journey, about your hair health, and be sure to correct him if you think that he or she is not doing what you want. They will not take any offense. Just tell them. This really helps to build the relationship between you and your barber. Now after the haircut, do thank your barber with gratitude and do take a picture of your haircut for future reference, for to show your barber what you want in the future as well. Give him or her feedback about if you liked your haircut, what you want changed, or if you liked it or not. So hopefully now you will have a better understanding of how to talk to your barber, how to get a trim. So if you found it helpful or like this video, then do give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, it's free and you can always unsubscribe later. Thank you guys for watching. Keep growing it, man. Peace.